One of the most important part of taking a new approach to studying is figuring out the time of the day when to study best. Many students never really think about when they will study. With their busy schedules, it is a go with the flow situation. Sometimes the brain is more active than at other times. For example, some people work better in the morning, whereas other people have a better focus in the evening. Some say that early morning hours are the best to study, while some others say that late night can get long hours of study. But do you know that studying at daytime or nighttime have their own pros and cons? Finding the best possible time of the day will save your time, help you to learn better, and make your work a lot more fun. In this video, we will be discussing the best time to study. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss our latest video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let us discuss the early study sessions. Studying in the morning may work best when the brain is better able to focus. After 8 hours of sleep, the mind feels fresh and works better. When your alarm goes off in the morning, get yourself out of bed immediately and don't snooze. Take the time to wake up your body by taking a cold shower or do something else that wakes you, such as quick workout or drinking a cup of coffee. After this, avoid all things that distract you from studying. Refrain from scrolling your social media accounts. Now, what are the benefits of studying in the morning? First, in the morning, the brain is refreshed and ready for new information. Of course, with the start of a new day and good sleep, you will awake refreshed and ready to take on the world, or at least your textbooks. Second, in the morning or daytime, natural light keeps you alert and focused. Sunlight is healthy for your eyes. Natural lighting has just the right spectrum for optimal eyesight. This in turn leads to greater concentration and alertness. Additionally, better exposure to sunlight has been associated with better moods and productivity. Third, the sleeping schedule is not disturbed. Since you will not study late at night, your sleeping schedule will remain intact. Studies suggest that sleeping at night gives the body the rest it needs to be productive the next morning. Fourth, in the morning or daytime, communication is easier. If you get stuck on something while studying, daytime is the best time to contact someone, such as your classmates and even your professors. During daytime, you will get quicker feedback. You can also visit the library or go outdoors for a better environment. And lastly, studying first in the morning also means that your afternoons and evenings become more open to other activities, such as spending time with friends or extracurricular activities. Now, what about the disadvantages of studying in the morning? Let's accept it. Some people just aren't morning people. If you are one of these people, then chances are waking up early would be counterproductive to your studying efforts. If you force yourself to wake up and study early morning, you will end up wasting more time. And certainly, it would not be beneficial to you. Now, let us also discuss the effects of late night study sessions. At nighttime, one can have more time to study with fewer distractions. There is peace all around. As a result, you can concentrate better on your studies. This is especially true when you stay in an environment where there are so many people or distractions. Now, what are the benefits of studying at nighttime? First, studying at night gives you more peace. Nighttime is a time for peace and tranquility. You will have fewer distractions and you can devote your time to focus purely on your studying. Hence, you will be in a relaxed and self-reflective state. Second, studying at night helps in improving recall memory. The best thing about studying at night is you usually go to bed shortly thereafter. This works wonders in your memory. Study shows that when you study before going to sleep, your brain will process the information while sleeping. Third, most students are more likely to have enough free time to study in the evenings, as classes and extracurricular activities typically end by late afternoon. What about the risk of studying at night? The risk of studying at night is that you may lose track of your time and end up sleeping less. So here's the catch. To remember all the information you spent so much time studying, be sure to get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. There are many side effects of lack of sleep, so please don't overdo it. Students are more likely to be fatigued at night and may not have the ability to focus at the level needed to properly study the material. So, if you're tired, you may want to continue studying until the next morning. When you're rested, your brain is awake and ready to face the day. Keep in mind also that the result of late night study sessions will be less effective when you have studied all day long. So, what is the best time to study? Well, sadly, there is no conclusive answer to that. Both of them have their pros and cons. We are all different in our own ways, with a different internal clock and body rhythm. Some are morning individuals, while others prefer nighttime because they have more energy. The question is, which one is right for you? You are the only person who can answer that. If you have not discovered it yet, try both for a week. And with some self-experimentation, you will find the best time for you. If you've been to this channel for some times, you know that I am a morning guy. One of the reasons I study in the morning is that almost all major exam starts in the morning. Being used to working your brain in the morning will work to your advantage. But it's just me. How about you? Do you have a preferred time of the day studying? Comment and tell us your reasons. Until then, my name is Abbas Makadatar. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Keep pursuing your dream. Share, learn, and succeed.